morning. Someone dropped the BM.
Somebody did.
The bowel movement.
Small place.
Dropped the BM. Could have been me. Let's see if I get stopped again, huh?
You always get stuff.
I think it's because of all the batteries I have. I don't know if you.
Don't.
Yeah. Yeah, that was crazy. Love you, baby.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Coffee, wallet, anything matter, you're gonna bring it out for me, okay?
From here too?
Yes.
2 hours later.
It's just me and my boobies getting smaller. Can't see them on the camera anymore. That's good, right? Huh? You thought that, well, they've always been smaller than yours. Maybe not. Might get some sugar from somewhere just to try it with sweetness. It's getting hot. Maybe you should have worn your dress.
Want an umbrella?
Is it reversible?
It's reversible.
I might want it.
See? Reversible. That's what it looks like.
I just don't like the colors. I like these colors, but the purple? Nah.
Kind of like the purple.
How much is it? 165? 126.
$126.99. It's like a dress.
I don't know what that is.
It's a dress.
Alright.
Thing. Okay. With shorts.
Wow. For men? Oh, welcome. I think it's in case you have an accident.
I think it's in case you get like super wet or you feel like stuff.
30s. Come on, man. Where's the 40s? Where's the 40s, guy? Where's all my big people support at? Come on. There's some big people clothes in here. Those big people gotta wear all this ugly crap.
They got shorts somewhere.
Yeah, the mannequin's wearing them. Oh, well, you guys are hungry.
Unless you want to walk through the candy shop, but I don't know.
I'll take you to the candy shop. I'll let you
What is it?
lick my lollipop. Had to pause for the kids. Whoop.
I'll take you through the splash zone. Oh. Sorry.
Here we go. It's happening, guys. It's happening. Okay, let's go up. We'll look back around and get you a pretzel.
Now they're gonna think this is fat. Just give me all this.
We're not fat. We just like food, you guys. We're kind of fat, but we're not that fat. Not anymore. We used to be really fat. Insert fat photo here. I'm going to put a picture of me being fat. Yeah, I don't like that ride. I don't like it either, girl. Leaves you hanging for too long. Sounds like something's cracking off right outside the gate. Get on the ground.
Oh, here you go, babe. It's just for you.
It's weird green. It's like a mint green. Bucket hat, I'm good. I think those are like so last season.
Are you done with this?
Uh-huh. There's a trash can coming up. Why you don't want to go to the other food place with other food in your hands?
No, I just, you gotta keep eating this and it's just
I know, I do the same thing. That's why I handed it to you. I was done with it. Oh, we gotta go.
Earlier were kind of like these. Actually, they are these.
Yeah.
I get these for feet.
No?
You know what it is?
Frida Kahlo.
Yes, but it's a book. Look.
Oh, cool. How much is it?
That was the artist. Or $2.99.
They got a lot of 3Xs here. Yeah, any big guys out there? There's the first 1X. Second 1X. There's another 1X. Another XL. Another XL. And then one 2X. Wow, that's it. The rest are 3Xs. $42.99. $3 more than an extra large. Because they said, hey, you bigger, so you take more material.
Your parents feel it. It's a koozie.
Mugsy. Waterproof insulated cover. Look at it. $25, but it's insulated. No, it's assimilated. Cool. If you buy anything over $30 in Fiesta Village, you get a free Alebrije plushie. No.
Headband. You want a headband thing?
No, this one right here?
No, the flowers. That's not a
Okay.
headband. This is a headband.
You just spot it, baby, from a mile away.
$12.38.
Should be open. Oh, it's closed.
Of course I said.
Well, we got the other one. The other one opens at 11, I think. The cave. The cabin. The cave manin. The cave girl. It's okay, sweeties.
You almost.
Almost ran over the sweeties. Watch your sweeties, guys. I'm a big dude. If I stomp on one, there ain't no coming back. 3,900. 3,900.
So more steps?
By the time we get to the car, yeah, we'll be good. I'm already good. This is a good day already.
No, I'm saying, do you want to go do more steps?
No. We have done enough.
Look at the pretzel line.
All right, that one's usually fast. We're getting a pretzel. Hopefully they're fresh. Smile for the camera.
I have to be on camera. All these things.
Oh, it fell. Oh man, look. It fell over, but we're still gonna eat it. Shh. Good Lord. Cut that out. Here you go. That's for you. I'm gonna get you some boysenberry sauce, some whipped cream. There you go. Nom 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 nom. Dang, I didn't give it any cookie crumbs. Look at it. It's bomb. I didn't have this before. I'm too tall. Here. It's a plain one for you. Yeah. I bet. I think that used to be a smoking area. If I remember correctly, they had a bunch of small little areas like that for smokers. Right? There's no one. You want to go? Might not even be open. Oh shoot. What's going on? Oh yeah, it's completely closed, you guys. Dang. No log ride today. Ya estuvo? No? They looked at me like, what the did you say? They probably thought I was their superintendent. Hello. Can we get a popcorn, please?
This one?
Yes.
Do you have a season pass?
Yes, we do. Thank you. So you can eat your popcorn. Huh? Okay. Oh Lord, what's going on here? Coyote's attacking this poor person. Oh no. Somebody call the not security guard. He's gonna attack his handler now. Watch out. You gotta get that guy under control.
Not my job, I don't work here.
Oh.
I just dress like this.
He's just dressed like this. Trip him. Ah, tripper. Oh no, there's another one. It's on the loose. Cheese and rice. It's not my job, I just look like I work here. Here you go, Vanessa, that's for you. Mama sweater? It's a Hoochie Mama sweater. I'll show you why. It's a Hoochie Mama sweater. This one, Pete.
It's your size.
It's bitter and sweet now. Oh. It's March. $20.25.